right, what's up? It's your boy G, Running Green from YMC. All right, look, I'm just making a video. This is not scripted or anything. I just, it's like, man, let me go live real quick. Or let me just make a video for my members, for everybody that's learning and on this trading journey. Yeah, you're going to need all the support you can get. Quickly. So I've been coming up with a new theory about IPO plays. I'm thinking that these IPO plays can have an edge in the market. I think it can beat the market. And here's my theory, right? So I'm looking at this play KSCP. I'm actually already invested. If you see down here where my mouse is, I'm already up $500. I just got into this position today. I just placed my trade. And now I'm looking at this to increase drastically. These IPO plays, I'm basically finding these IPO companies that recently just did it. They just did the paperwork. They just started trading in whatever exchange it is. It can be the NASDAQ. It can be the New York Stock Exchange. Look, these companies go up real quick, especially if they have great news, like Nightscope. They'll go up, but then they'll always tank, all right? They'll always tank down. And usually they find themselves going up again. And I see this and I'm like, man, this is happening so many times where the company will spike in price, but then they'll drop all the way down and they'll find a nice support. And for those who don't know what a support is, it's a price fluctuation, a price point that is heavily supported, meaning that this price is basically typically bounced. So when a stock drops in price, it typically holds right there in that price range, which creates this support line that I can show right here. All right, so this has been the support line, and this is at $6.08. And it recently dropped down to this. It opened up here. This stock opened at $14.44, dropped all the way down to $6, and then went right back up, like went up crazy. Then dropped all the way back down. And over the few days, multiple weeks, it bounced again right here. Now, you know, there's a little consolidation. There's not a lot of up and down movement, but I seen that there was a volume increase right here. Now, when I look at the daily chart, I see that volume increase. Volume increase crazy, right? That's what I like to see. And I'm noticing that these companies, they will increase in volume and it'll go to the support. And then you have like a lot of upside, right? I got in at, where did I get in at? I got in at $8.99. Now, when you do the math, I got in right here, and I like to use my trend line on Thinkorswim platform because, you know, it gives me the percentage, right? It calculates the percentage increase for me. And as I'm going up, I'm looking at where it once was, which stocks tend to, when they drop, they tend to retest and reach a new price where it's been before. That's 200%. 200% potential. Now, am I going to be greedy and take all of that? No. But I can take a little piece, and I can take a 30% piece of that. And I'm already up 9%. As you can see, it's going up and down over there. Like, this is jumping, right? I'm in at $8.99, and this price is jumping, it's fluctuating, it's going crazy. But there's so much potential right here to gain a capture of return. And this is basically buying a dip. Now, this dip is heavily supported. I'm not just buying any dip. And I'm liking what I'm seeing right here. It's a momentum play. It's an IPO play, and I just have this theory. Now, the next question is, Ronnie, why are you sharing this theory? I'm doing it because I'm taking a risk. And I've been profiting off these plays for the last 2-3 weeks. And you've seen it in my videos, right? And I support my live trade so people know this is real. Like, I'm literally trading these stocks. And this is, I'm not using a simulated account. This is real shares, real money. So what I want y'all to see is that, here's an opportunity. In order to beat the market, you got to have an edge. And I'm exploring new edges, right? When I first got into the game, I was exploiting FDA approvals. I would wait for a pharmaceutical company to get into the clinical trial 3, and maybe if they made it to clinical trial 4, they'll get FDA approval. It happened majority of the time. And I will exploit that. I will buy these companies before they got approved. And if they did get approved, then boom, the company price would just skyrocket, right? I would sell my shares profit. I did that so many times. That's how I took $5,000 to $103,000 in 8 months. But that doesn't always work, right? It doesn't always work. There's new plays and new edges that have to evolve because the market evolves over time. So that being said, I'm exploring this new edge with you guys. I'm sharing it before I actually, release it. I've made these plays. Now, at your own risk, this is not advice. This is all educational. I'm trying to get out. I'm actually putting my money up so that I can prove myself right. And hopefully you guys can get on that journey, make some money with me. And I'm not going to hoard all the money, right? I'm going to share that. And that's what our community does. For those who are not a part of a community, we have stock trading, we have options, we have even algorithm trading. And you guys have heard me talk about AlgoPerry. That's the company that I'm building, an app that I'm building. And then we even got crypto and NFTs, right? So I'm talking about these plays in this community, along with some other traders who are killing the market. And you guys can be a part of that too. So in the section, in the info section, just click the link, join the community. It's free. Share your ideas too. I want to hear them. And that's what our community does. We share our ideas. We see about these investment opportunities and we take advantage. I want everybody to make some money. And so I'm testing this theory out. We'll see if it works. We'll see if I'm right or wrong. That's the thing. I'm not scared to be wrong. But that's what has gotten me those outlandish returns because I'm not scared to be wrong. I'm not scared to take advantage. Okay. So that being said, we'll see how this plays out. I'll do a recap video of this trade and we'll see. Hopefully I'm right and hopefully you guys make some money. But other than that, like, share, subscribe. If you like this YouTube video, if this YouTube video helped you out in any way, share it with your communities. And I would love to see you guys in there. All right. Peace.